Everyone, welcome to this quick look and how to improve your gut health. Your gut is home to bacteria that have numerous vital functions throughout the body. Most importantly, the bacteria in your gut help with nutrient absorption and produce neurotransmitters, including those related to mental health. Unfortunately, the balance of your microbiome is easily lost, resulting in dysbiosis. This can occur as a result of chronic stress, anxiety, alcohol, overgrowth of yeast and bacteria, and environmental toxins, and poor diet. Unfortunately, because of the complex interaction between your brain and your gut, poor gut health will directly influence your mental health. And your mental health, in turn, will affect the health and functioning of your gut. Dysbiosis, or an imbalance in your gut bacteria, can have devastating effects on your brain and the rest of your body. Here are some of the effects of dysbiosis that will impact your brain and mental health. Leaky gut, where undigested food and bacteria and pathogens escape from the gut into your bloodstream. Toxin buildup in the brain because of the gut leak, causing increased mental health issues. Oxidative stress, where free radicals build up and can damage otherwise healthy cells. And inflammation, which travels from the gut to the brain and impacts mental health. The mental health issues which can result from all of these will increase your stress levels and further impact your microbiome, making everything worse. When your microbiome is unhealthy, it will also impact your energy production. This refers to the energy your body needs to digest, to breathe, and grow. Everything you do, voluntarily or involuntarily, takes energy. So if your energy production is actually low, it will impact every aspect of your health. Over 90% of your body's energy comes from mitochondria. These are the powerhouses of the cell and convert energy from food into energy that the body can use. Here are a couple of ways that your microbiome can impact mitochondrial health and function. Bacteria in the gut directly interact with mitochondria in the gut cells. The gut then produces cytokines, which are molecules that actually promote inflammation and prompt the release of neurochemicals that impact mitochondrial activity. The inflammation then caused by a leaky gut has high energy demand, which has to be filled by the mitochondria. Therefore, excessive mitochondrial activity creates more free radicals and can bring on oxidative stress, which can trigger mutations in mitochondria and cause damage to them. These are just some of the reasons why it's so important to care for your microbiome health. You can improve the health of your gut and help heal a leaky gut by making some simple changes to your lifestyle. Here are some of the most effective strategies. Eliminate foods like grains, starches, and sugars that irritate your gut or encourage yeast growth. Eat foods rich in fiber like vegetables, nuts, berries, and legumes. Eat lots of whole, fresh foods to help with healing. Add more probiotic foods like pickles, kombucha, sauerkraut, and yogurt to encourage good bacteria. Adopt stress-reducing practices like yoga, meditation, or breathing exercises. Take an enzyme supplement to help with better digestion. Drink bone broth for gelatin to heal the gut lining. Or try oil of oregano, coconut oil, or marshmallow root to help support good gut bacteria and inhibit the growth of bad bacteria. A healthy diet that helps decrease inflammation is absolutely pivotal to your gut health. Inflammation is implicated in poor mental health, weight problems, autoimmune conditions, and a variety of other disorders and health problems. Here's how to start your journey towards an anti-inflammatory diet. Stop eating allergenic foods like gluten and dairy, and then add them back slowly to see how your body reacts. Eat foods that are high on the glycemic index to keep your blood sugar levels stable. Avoid toxicity in your food, such as fish with high mercury levels. Take a probiotic. Take a high-quality omega-3 supplement and eat more foods that can contain naturally oily fish and flax seeds. Try grapeseed oil, coconut oil, or high-quality ghee for cooking. And eat meals that are rich in protein and fiber to keep you fuller longer. And this one I love. Lots of fresh, colorful, organic fruits and vegetables they are high in antioxidant and polyphenols. And then try anti-inflammatory herbs and spices like turmeric, garlic, ginger, oregano, and cinnamon. Before you take any of these steps, make sure you talk to a medical professional to avoid adverse effects though. And if you'd like to hear more about great tips on improving your gut health and your regular health, make sure to click the subscribe button. Also like and share this video so we can reach even more people who need our help. We're here to empower you to take control of your health.